What is Synapse XT? Synapse XT is a daily brain health supplement that improves the brain's connections to ensure that the user maintains good hearing even if suffering from any other medical conditions. The formula includes multiple natural ingredients to eradicate and improve this mysterious health phenomenon. While there are rare drops and medications that consumers can use, Synapse XT aims to eliminate the sufferer's tinnitus. In fact, the creators are so confident in the effects of this remedy that they say anyone who takes Synapse XT will achieve perfect hearing with the regular use of this 8-ingredient tinnitus relief formula. The natural formula is meant to eliminate the ear's issues, though the creator says that the problem is more of a brain issue. The remedy is meant to work for anyone, regardless of age or how long they have had tinnitus. It even works for consumers with various other medical issues. The website is currently offering a relatively low price for the Synapse XT formula, but that won't last. The promotion doesn't have a specific end date, but the creators recommend making a purchase now to take advantage. Tinnitus treatment naturally, without side effects, proven 100% guaranteed method. Visit the link below for video description. How Synapse XT works. Synapse XT isn't meant to be for just ear health directly because the creators don't believe that the cause has to do directly with the ear. According to the doctor who helped create Synapse XT, the ear can be damaged with ease. However, tinnitus itself is rooted in the interpretation of the ear's signals to the brain. For this reason, the Synapse XT formula focuses on improving the health of the brain rather than nourishing the ears. The only way that this healing is possible is with a handful of researched ingredients that can support the brain and its connection to the rest of the body. The ingredients include hibiscus, hawthorn berry, olive leaves, vitamin B3, garlic, vitamin B12, vitamin B6, buku leaves, green tea, juniper berry, uva ursi, and vitamin C. Read on below to learn more about the impact that each of these ingredients has. 1. Hibiscus. Hibiscus is a popular flower to include in teas, giving it the sweet and tart flavor that consumers enjoy. While the capsule doesn't include a flavor, it does offer a concentration of the antioxidants that hibiscus is known for. It is safe for the heart, reducing the user's cholesterol levels for improved heart health. Some people use hibiscus to promote fewer cravings, which is why it is found in many types of weight loss drinks and supplements. 2. Hawthorn berry. Hawthorn berry is another helpful source of antioxidants, promoting reduced inflammation and even support for lower blood pressure. The berries are often associated with lower blood pressure, though it can promote healthy digestion for a better balance of blood fats. The berry has been used to treat many health conditions, including anxiety and heart failure. 3. Olive leaves. Like the ingredients above, olive leaves also help users with their heart health, reducing high blood pressure risk. With improved immunity, users can fight conditions like herpes and type 2 diabetes. Plus, it can reduce inflammation as free radicals are purged. Often used in tinctures and capsules, consumers can have up to 1,000 milligrams each day safely, though studies have yet to find an unsafe dose for users. 4. Vitamin B3. Vitamin B3 is crucial for the body's cholesterol management, which inherently reduces the user's heart disease risk. Some research shows that it can help users with type 1 diabetes, but it is also the first ingredient that can support better brain function. Luckily, it isn't the last. 5. Garlic. Garlic is most commonly known for its unique flavor in thousands of different recipes. However, it is rich with health benefits, having such a powerful effect that it can fight the common cold. Like many others in the formula, it promotes better blood pressure, allowing the ears to succumb to less strain and better nutrient absorption. 6. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is an absolute necessity for the body's red blood cells, providing nourishment for these cells and the nerves. Individuals that lack enough vitamin B12 in their body can become incredibly tired and fatigued, posing a great risk for anemia. 7. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is beneficial for the user's mood, primarily due to how it improves the brain's health. In fact, the brain's positive effects are so strong that it can reduce the risk of succumbing to Alzheimer's disease. It can even improve the production of hemoglobin, which is necessary to treat anemia. 8. Buku leaves. Buku leaves have been used as a diuretic for years, and they are used as a natural remedy for urinary tract infections. It can also reduce inflammation that impacts the prostate gland. 9. Green tea. Green tea helps lower the risk of certain types of cancer, though it also protects the brain from the deterioration that can come with aging. 10. Juniper berry. Juniper berry reduces inflammation as well, though much of the focus on this ingredient is how it reduces the growth of bacteria and the spread of viruses. It can also reduce the risk of diabetes. 11. Uva ursi. Uva ursi is used for healing in the body, triggering better immunity as it purges toxins. It also reduces the risk of constipation and eases swelling in the bladder, urethra, and urinary tract. 12. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a staple for all of the repairs and growth of tissues in the body, and it is crucial for the absorption of iron, which is necessary for the blood. It also supports healing, as it improves the immune system's functions. Purchasing Synapse XT? The website is currently offering a relatively low price for the Synapse XT formula, but that won't last. The promotion doesn't have a specific end date, but the creators recommend making a purchase now to take advantage. Click on the link below the video description to buy Synapse XT directly from the official website and save big with recent promotions. Only buy from the official website to avoid scams and ensure money-back guarantee policy. Frequently asked questions about Synapse XT. Is there an age limit on the use of Synapse XT? Not at all. This tinnitus relief formula works for individuals of all ages, as long as they are adults. However, the natural ingredients are still fairly powerful to the body. How many bottles are best for the user to order? Since the creators recommend about 3-6 months of use, consumers will likely see the greatest benefit from one of the multi-bottle packages. Since the pricing is currently at a discounted rate, users who want to save more money may want to get the best option. Is it safe to take Synapse XT? Yes. The formula includes ingredients that are entirely natural and tested for their safety. They are all backed up by scientific evidence, and even the capsules were produced in a facility that has been approved by the FDA. How should Synapse XT be taken? The capsules should be taken at breakfast, allowing it to work slowly within the body all day long to get the relief desired.